Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to trim video in Instagram stories. So if you want to trim video, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open up your Instagram from your mobile app. Then for you to be able to edit your video or trim your video, you have to swipe to the left side of the screen. Then this will open the camera. This will open the camera option. Then from there you just tap on this camera or video or photo tree right here. Tap on it, then this will take you down to your gallery. Then from there you can pick any video. Once you pick any video, you'll see the option right here where you can trim or adjust the video clip you want to post on your Instagram story before you finally upload them. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.